With more than 50% of the Earth's landmass being used as rangelands, their sustainable management is of global importance. Rangelands harbor significant biodiversity. They provide life-sustaining ecosystem functions and are home to our nomadic ancestors, to pastoralists whose livestock convert poor quality vegetation into food. These nomads are custodians of the land and actively work to combat the climate crisis, protect rangeland resources, and they even hold the potential to help create lasting peace. The atmosphere and the water cycle. We have to regard them as gifts because we couldn't make them. We have to regard them as precious gifts because we couldn't live without them. This tiny planet orbiting in space is the home to all the life of which we know. Ending and reversing degradation on a global scale will be one of the great endeavors of our time. And pastoralists, the custodians of rangelands, must be supported to help lead this process and overcome the many challenges that we face. Restoring the Earth's rangelands is of critical importance. We need to prevent, halt, and reverse degradation on every continent and in every ocean. It can help end poverty, combat the climate crisis, and even help us live together in peace on planet Earth.
Roger, 0J, and I feel fine. Capsule is turning around.